Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. My name is Sampath and I'm part of the product team. I'm delighted to be presenting today on behalf of the product team, and also I'd like to welcome you all for the kickoff meeting, and I trust that you all are enticed to know about the year-long project that we've been working on. It has been a crucial year and we did many amazing things, and we can't wait to share with you all. To start with, I'll introduce the team. Myself, Sampath, Mona, Shiva, Rishi, and Raj. And also, we have the contact information in case you have any follow-up questions for us. Moving on to our main agenda, we would be starting with the project insights, the technical project details, also discuss about the project outcomes, the project timeline, as well as the next steps that we anticipate to take away from this meeting. Coming to the key insights, you'd be surprised to know that over 2 billion, that's one-third of the population, live in water-stressed countries. That means they lack the basic access to water. And this is not coming from any random source, but the WHO itself. From digestion to waste removal, water plays an essential role. And it is evident that water is the fundamental need of every human being. That is why we try to understand the pain points of people and also understand the reasons why water, being so abundant, at the same time is so scarce to get. Clean drinking water should not be a privilege. It is a basic need. With a number of water bottles and several types of water purifiers, not all of them are affordable and are reachable in the underdeveloped countries, which account to about 771 million people who do not have access to clean water. Our research exactly finds that. Our team has conducted research to identify the key needs of people who have a prolonged need for safe drinking water or are situated in areas prone to frequent drought and also contaminated underground sources. Following along with the information that we have received so far and our team has been able to gather, the three key areas are lack of affordable solutions or the sources, lack of access to water, and also lack of information about the contaminants and their adverse effects. We would like to introduce our contribution to a step further for safer drinking water. So our product, which we plan to launch, is a state-of-the-art charcoal activated water purifier. And also it is completely natural and works just with the basic amenities that are found in the earth. The product itself is portable and made from resources available in the nature. And while our core goal is to be closer to the environment, so the product itself is made with elements from the environment. The real world outcomes that we believe are going to come out from this product are to make the water drinkable, which is close to what we all have at our homes right now. That's 99.99% of purified water. And also, we anticipate and we plan to not take away any minerals or vitamins that are part of regular drinking water. We also anticipate to improve the flavor rather than providing a stale amount of water. Also, we want to make it more economical to manufacture so that we can reach the farthest of the markets. Also, we want to make it easy to clean and easy to maintain so that the product can be used multiple times over and over again. To make all this happen, we need a tight timeline, also clear idea of how we're going to market the product. So we have developed a launch timeline that we believe will get our product to the market the fastest. So our plan is as follows, and the success metrics that we anticipate are to make the product available to as many customers as possible and also provide at the cheapest rate by manufacturing the product by using economics of scale. We believe that Flow's water filtering solution will provide an affordable and safer approach. Also, we need your support to sponsor, finance, and market the product, because we as a team at Waves seek to provide any additional details and consider feedback and take questions regarding the product and its purpose. Specifically, the plan to manufacture, launch, and market the product Flows. Thank you.